Hi there, I'm Miles Peterson, and you guys are watching the 3D Engineer. Today I'll be bringing you guys a particularly special video. I'm out here in the woods of Broken Bow, Oklahoma, taking a family vacation, and I brought along with me the miniature 8th scale Cyclone. So I figured it'd be a pretty cool video to sound it off in the woods just to see how far an 8th scale Cyclone can transfer sound. I didn't bring my decibel reader, my bad on that, but it probably would be less sound than the decibel reader could pick up, probably less than 60 decibels, but the point is you can still hear it. So today we'll just be sounding off the Cyclone probably 2 or 3 times from different distances to see how far it carries the sound. So with that said, let's get right into the video. Alright, test number 1, we are about 50 feet away from the Cyclone. I just measured a super rough estimate with my feet, so yeah. I slowly inched over here doing so, but anyway, we are about 50 feet away. You'll be able to see me on the right of the screen here in just a second, running up to the Cyclone to power it. But in the next one, I should be far enough that you won't see me at all. All right, 50-foot test. Here it is. Okay. Well, that went well. Okay, now we are very, approximately 75 feet away from the Cyclone. Again, I inched my way over here foot by foot, but, well, it's a rough estimate. Point is, we'll be doing it further each time. All right, well, let's see how this sounds. There you are. It's quite the hike to get to here now. All right, we are now, again, approximately 100 feet away from the Cyclone. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but I can just see a tiny red dot from here, and that's the top of the Cyclone. So I'm gonna go march over there once again, and we'll hear what this thing sounds like from 100 feet away. Finally, after years of searching, here it is. I almost lost you. All right, this is honestly just for fun. I did not count even approximately how far I am, but I went maybe an additional 50 feet, so I'd say we're about 150 feet away from the Cyclone at this point. Anyway, we'll see if we even pick up sound at this point. Again, the Cyclone is 8th scale, but we'll just see. We'll see. And if this doesn't make it, I'll cut it out of the video. Wow, I went far enough at this point that I needed a trail marker, which was that skinless tree there. Oh, that was fun. Well, there you have it, an outdoor range test of my 8th scale Cyclone from many distances, many different distances, outside in the woods. I think that's I think this video will have... I'm too out of breath. Well, there you guys have it. This video really put my Cyclone to the test outside. It's handling 95-degree heat, as well as range tests. So yeah, the Cyclone here did good. If you guys want to print the Cyclone yourself, I have a link to the Tinkercad download page where you can remix and download the Tinkercad project file by file. I also have a detailed video of the Cyclone that will be up here, if you guys want to check that out. And I also have videos of several of my other siren models on my channel. I'm also currently taking orders and selling miniature sirens on my website, the3dengineer.net. And here, the Cyclone should be available maybe next restock, so you guys can stay tuned for that. Anyway, with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm Miles Peterson, and you guys stay creative.